Here you go.
Get them quick while they're hot.
Yeah. Maybe you want soggy Cheerios. Good girl.
She's not that bad.
No, she's doing great. You want the shower squirter to get her wet?
I was going to suggest a cup.
Oh, you want me to go get one?
Yeah. While she snags Oreos.
Oreos?
You're doing great, Gigi.
Cup.
Thank you. Ooh, I don't think she has any problem with this.
Yeah, she might with the shampoo. Okay, this one's lotion. This is Johnson's Baby No More Tears shampoo.
Go.
Yeah, just be careful not to get it in her eyes.
Isn't it
She
no
had a
tears?
Cheerios. Yeah, but I still don't want it in her eyes.
I can't feed her. You can't. No more Cheerios with the shampoos in there.
Okay.
I'll try not to get it in her eyes, but once. Oops, sorry, that thing flew right in there. There's some over there, Chi-Chi. Her footing is so funny.
Alright. You got it.
She likes the bathtub.
Yeah, she has no major issues with the bathtub.
I don't know how much I should put.
I don't know, just lather it around her body.
It's not like washing.
We'll get her head last, okay? So we can rinse it first. So just get her body.
Any more Cheerios in there? Good.
More Cheerios or no?
No more. I'm getting.
She's kind of mad. Yeah, just scratch her while you're doing it. She's not that mad.
This is called
Good girl.
Good girl, Chi-Chi. Good girl. This is called a
Good
bath.
girl. She doesn't hate a bath. Oh, sniper.
I tried to grab a leg. Gotta support her a little. You get the other leg. Oh shit. You okay?